in this beautiful country of Saudi Arabia. I've been here, alhamdulillah, so many days. May Allah protect it.
MashaAllah.
I see things that I couldn't imagine in America. Women come, people get out of the way. People open the door. People respect women.
Yeah.
Women come, people get out of the line. They let them go forward. Huh? In America, we don't do this. In England, they don't do this. In France, they don't do this. Huh? Shaykhuna, Habibuna, let me ask you a question. When you go out for dinner, do you tell your wife, pay?
No.
You honor her, you respect her, you love her. If she works, she keeps her money.
Yes.
She doesn't have to give it to you, right? But you work, you have to spend on her.
And she doesn't need to pay it in the house for
yes.
For renting.
So who pays for the rent? Who pays for the food? Who pays for it? You do.
Me, I do that.
And if she works and she has her own money or if she has her own
That's
business,
up to
which
her.
she can. In Saudi, alhamdulillah, many women own billions of dollars of businesses.
Yes.
They don't have to share that. So how is she honored and respected?